Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. A pyramid has 6 edges. Each edge is 40 centimeter in length. If the surface area of the pyramid is k times square root of 3, what is the value of k? Okay, so since a pyramid has 6 edges, it has to be a triangular pyramid. So triangular pyramid is a three-dimensional geometric shape with a triangular base and three triangular sides that meet at a single point. Okay, now let me draw a triangular pyramid so that we can understand that it has 6 edges. Okay, let me draw it. Here I've drawn a triangular pyramid over here. So the triangular base is here and all the side walls are triangles. Okay, so now we can count the number of edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So according to the information, we have 6 edges. So in this triangular pyramid I have drawn also has 6 edges. So whenever a pyramid has 6 edges, it has to be a triangular pyramid. That is, the base has to be a triangle and all the side walls must be triangles. Okay, now the question says each edge is 40 centimeter in length. So the length of this edge is 40 centimeter. This one is 40 and this one is 40. This one is 40. So this one is 40, this one is 40. So clearly, including the base, each face of this pyramid is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so clearly the base, including the base, this is one triangle. This is like we have 4 equilateral triangles. Okay, let me make a net of this net diagram of this triangular pyramid so that we can see exactly how many faces we have including the base. Okay, now let me draw a net for this triangular pyramid. Here I have drawn net diagram for this triangular pyramid. That is, I just open the side walls and then I'll be getting a shape like this. So when I draw net diagram for this triangular pyramid, I'm getting 6 faces. This is the base. So this one also has to be counted. I mean, the base also has to be counted as one of the faces. So first face, second face, third face, and fourth face. We have 4 faces, and each face is an equilateral triangle of side length of 40 centimeter. Okay, to get the surface area of the pyramid, what we need to do is we just have to add the areas of all the faces, including the base. Okay, so here, since each face is an equilateral triangle, we can use the formula of equilateral triangle to get area of one triangle, and it has to be multiplied by 4 to get the surface area, total surface area of the pyramid, because there are 4 equilateral triangles over here with the same side length 40 centimeter. Okay, already we know the formula for to find area of an equilateral triangle. That is square root of 3 over 4 times a square. Here the a refers to the length of each side of the equilateral triangle. In our case, so the length of each side of one triangle is 40 centimeter. We can plug in 40 for this a, then it will become 40 square. Now let's evaluate this one. So square root of 3 over 4 times. When I evaluate 40 square, I'm getting 1600. 4 goes into 4 one times and 4 goes into 16 4 times, and we have 2 zeros over here. Then I'm getting 400 times square root of 3. So 400 times square root of 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of just one equilateral triangle over here. But we have 4 equilateral triangles of the same side length 40 centimeter. So to get the area of the surface area of the pyramid, okay, let me write this stuff over here. Surface area or total surface area, whatever it is. So surface area of the pyramid is equal to 4 times the area of one triangle. That is 4 times 400 times square root of 3. So when I multiply them, I'm getting 1600 square root of 3 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the pyramid. We got it in our calculation. But the question says the surface area of the pyramid is k times square root of 3. And in this k times square root of 3, we have to find the value of k. So this k times square root of 3 represents the surface area of the pyramid, but we got the surface area of the pyramid 1600 times square root of 3. So both the quantities over here represent the same stuff, that is surface area of the pyramid, so we can equate them. Okay, now our aim is to solve for k. So for that I have to get rid of the square root of 3, which is multiplied over here. So to get rid of the square root of 3, I divide both sides by square root of 3. The square root of 3 will cancel, and the same thing over here. I am getting k equals to 1600.